Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how you can convert some links that you have copied from Google Images or any other site and convert into a valid string array. So let's start. First of all, you need to install Sublime Text. You can install Sublime Text from that site sublimetext.com and you will download Sublime Text 3 because this is the major version of that Sublime Text. You will not use Sublime Text 2 or 4, you will use Sublime Text 3. So now suppose that you have some images and you want to integrate that images into your app. So the method is that you will open that image. Let's see, I have opened that image and I will copy. I will click on that image and copy image address and I will paste there, and I will choose another image and wait until it's load and copy image address and paste and turn off word wrap, and I have another image, copy image address and paste. So suppose that you have 50 or 100 images and you have copied images address and you want to integrate that images into your Android app or iPhone app or any other software, and you want to show images. So these are the links. So now the issue is that you cannot use that file directly and you want to convert that paths or links into an array. So the method is that we will convert into valid array using Sublime Text. So let's start. First of all, go to start of your file and click enter. So it have a new line, an empty new line. Now go to find and click find and turn on that regular expression. So it should be turned on and type /n. So after typing /n, press or click find all, and now you will press home button on your keyboard. Press home button. It will be shown you that you have on the start of the line, and now press double quotes and now press end button on your keyboard, and now press double quotes and a comma, and now you will delete that new line using delete button on your keyboard. So it's completed. Now go to end of the line and check whether there is any issue or any extra part. So this comma is an extra part. I will delete that and I will choose edit, select all, or Control A for select all, and I will go to my Java file and paste that address. So this is a valid array. As you can see, it is a valid array, and I can go to my C# and paste. So this is also a valid array. So you can use that paths to show images into your Android app or any other software. So this is the method or trick that I have shown you that you can use.